Hello everyone. Did you ever felt that you have been trying to do something but you're not able to actually finish it? You're not actually able to get the results, desired results in that particular action. What goes wrong? If you observe, you will find that you have in the first place itself committed yourself to try that. You have not actually decided to accomplish that, decided to finish that. You must have heard the story of the king and a spider. When the king lost a battle and he hides into a cave, on the wall of the cave he saw a spider, and the spider was trying to reach up to the top of the cave, but every time it goes up it falls down. But later on, after keep on observing this thing, king knew that actually spider didn't give away. Spider didn't give away until it reached the ceiling of the cave. Why? Because it has been trying again and again and again. But was that spider decided just to try it? If it would have only decided just to try, it would not have reached the ceiling at the end. But spider has decided to reach at the ceiling, not just to try. The aim was not try, and that is why it could reach to the aim what it has decided. So similar thing happens with us. If we decide that we want to do something, we want to finish this, we commit ourselves to do something, we actually achieve it, because then we keep on trying, we do not stop until we finish that. But if we commit to try, then actually we are not wholeheartedly working with that. We are actually giving half of our efforts. We try once or twice and then we feel that we are not able to do this, and then we lose, then we stop putting the efforts, and that is how we are actually not able to accomplish anything. So if you want to grow, if you want to accomplish anything, if you want to achieve any result, desired goals, what you have to do is you have to decide, you have to commit yourself that yes, I am going to do this, and then affirm these statements every day that yes, I am capable of doing this, I am going to do this, and I am doing this. And you have to tell this thing in present tense as such as you have already done it, and keep on putting the efforts until you finish this, until you achieve the goal. Don't just try, because there is nothing called try in this world. Either you do it or either you don't do it. And when we say I'll try myself, I'll try my level best, that is the worst statement I have ever heard, because there is no trying level best. When you do something level best, you just accomplish, you do it. Either you don't do it or either you do it. There is nothing called try. And if you still doubt, then just take a pen in front of you and try to lift it. Don't lift it, just try to lift it. No, don't lift it, just try to lift it. Did you see what happened? Actually, either you lifting the the pen, or either you not lifting the pen. There is nothing called try. How can you try something? So I think you must have got the message. You must give a message to your mind that yes, I am going to do this. It's a commitment and I will definitely do it. That's it. Don't just give a half-hearted message to your mind that I am going to try. The moment you say I am going to try, the mind is not going to help you in the process. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.